how to reduce or delete pagefile.sys. You've probably seen that mysterious file named pagefile.sys lurking in your PC storage, and if it's taking up a lot of space, you might be wondering, what is this? And can I get rid of it? Today, we're going to walk you through how to manage pagefile.sys, from reducing its size to deleting it. But should you really delete it? So, what is pagefile.sys anyway? In simple terms, it's a file that Windows uses as extra memory when your physical RAM or your computer's actual memory runs out. Think of your RAM as a parking lot for data. When it fills up, pagefile.sys acts like an overflow parking lot on your hard drive. But here's the catch. Accessing data from your hard drive or SSD is much slower than from RAM. So while pagefile.sys helps your system juggle more tasks, it can also slow things down if it gets too large. Okay, now you might be wondering, why is my pagefile.sys too big? There are a few main reasons. High resource usage. If you're running resource-hungry programs or a ton of apps, your computer needs more virtual memory, meaning pagefile.sys grows. Windows default settings. Windows automatically adjusts the size of pagefile.sys based on your available storage. Sometimes it allocates more space than necessary. Memory leaks. Occasionally, apps don't release memory properly after they're closed, causing pagefile.sys to keep growing. How to reduce the size of pagefile.sys. If you've got a massive pagefile.sys and you're running low on storage, shrinking it might be a good idea. Here's how. First, right-click on this PC or my computer and select Properties. Click on Advanced System Settings, then Performance, and choose Settings. In the Performance Options window, go to the Advanced tab and click Change under Virtual Memory. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Select your system drive, usually in the C drive, then choose Custom Size, set a smaller value. But make sure it's still enough for your system's needs, just lower than the default. Click Set and OK. Restart your computer and you're good to go. A quick note, resizing it too much can cause performance issues, so don't shrink it too small. Now, if you've got another drive with more space, or even an SSD, you can move pagefile.sys there to free up space on your main drive. Here's how. Follow the previous steps to access the virtual memory settings. Select your system drive. Choose No Paging File and click Set. Pick a different drive, preferably an SSD or one with more space, and choose System Manage Size or Custom Size. Click Set, OK, and restart your computer. While moving it won't completely fix performance issues, it can help smooth things out. Can you delete pagefile.sys? Should you? Now, here's where it gets tricky. Should you delete pagefile.sys? The answer is not really. At least, not unless you know exactly what you're doing. Here's why. Pagefile.sys is essential for your system to run when your RAM is full. Without it, your computer could crash when overloaded. But if you really want to delete it, here's how. Follow the steps to set No Paging File in the virtual memory settings. Open File Explorer, go to your C drive, and make sure you're showing hidden files. Find pagefile.sys, right-click, and delete it. Restart your computer, but remember, Windows might recreate it anyway. Just keep in mind, deleting pagefile.sys doesn't make your system run faster. It might even cause issues if you push your RAM too hard. So there you have it, a quick and easy guide to managing pagefile.sys. If you've got a large file taking up space or want to optimize your system, these tips should help. But always remember, proceed with caution when tweaking system files. For more information, check out our official blog post on pagefile.sys. For more tech tips and in-depth tutorials, subscribe to NinjaOne IT Tech Tips for more helpful content like this. Want top-of-the-line software to safeguard your organization's data? Try NinjaOne Backup's 14-day free trial today.